I am S.B.Mishra going to teach you the last portion of the function for class 12 optional mathematics students. Question number 7. If fx is equal to x plus 7, gx is equal to x minus 7, x is a member of R, find f4g7. We find f4gx general value. We have to find for 7 but taking x. So put the value of gx. Gx is x minus 7, so f of x minus 7. Now f of x is given x plus 7. So f of kuch bhi is equal to kuch plus 7. So f of this much, this is called kuch plus 7, x cancelled. So the same thing is copied here. The value of x, so fx, the final is x. So f4gx is equal to x. So f4g7 is equal to 7. This x is equal to x, so this 7 is equal to 7. 8th number, f is a function from R to R. Fx is equal to x square plus 2 and gx is equal to x square plus x by x minus 1. Find f4g, gof. f4gx, put the value of gx. Gx is written x by x minus 1. Now f of something, f of x is equal to x square plus 1. So f of kuch bhi is equal to kuch square plus 2. This is copied here. So on simplification we get this. This is the final answer. Now f4gx, put the value of g, fx. Fx is equal to x square plus 2 already given. So g of x square plus 2. Now gx is equal to x by x minus 1. So g of kuch is equal to kuch by kuch minus 1. So this is copied here. So final, this is the answer. Again 9 number, f is a function from R to R. Fx is equal to this. The simplification is complicated, so be careful. Find f of fx. We find f of with respect to x. Put fx is equal to this, given already, so this. Now fx is equal to this. For x we are taking this much, so 3 minus this much to the power 3, overall 1 by 3. This 3 cancelled, 3 cancelled. So this will be plus, so x cube to the power 1 by 3 x. Now last thing is going on. 1 function is also called injective, onto function is also called surjective. 1 onto function is called bijective. Bijective is also invertible. Now composition function. I have already given many examples of composition function, but what is composition function is not known to you. So let a to b and b to c. F is a function from a to b, g is a function from b to c. Now if x goes towards b, this becomes fx, and this fx under g mapping becomes g of fx, and directly this is gof, direct from a to b. So gof is a function from a to c, sorry, not to b. G is a function, gof is a function from a to c defined by gofx is equal to this. Gofx is equal to this. This is for all x belongings to a. For all x belongs to a, this is called composition of f and g. Now 10th number question. F is a function from R to R, fx is equal to this, g is a function from R to R, gx is equal to this. So f4g is not equal to gof. Find f4g of x. Put the value of gx. Gx is 3x square. Now f kuch is equal to cos kuch. So f kuch is equal to cos kuch. G of x, g of, put the value of fx. Fx is cos x. G of kuch whatever 3 into kuch square, so 3 into kuch square this. So f4g is not equal to gof. This is the extra question for you. A is equal to r minus 3 by 5, b is equal to r minus 7 by 5, and f is a function from a to b. Now fx is equal to this. and g is function from b to a, gy is equal to this, so that GOF is equal to IA, FOG is equal to IB. Here you can see IA from x to x. ये IA is identity function. x पर जाएगा 1 1 पर 2 2 पर 3 3 पर, ऐसा अगर हो जाए तो हम लोग IA कहते हैं. So starting from FOGX, put the value of fx. fx is already given 7x plus 4 by this. Now g of kuch, g of y is equal to 3y plus 4 by 5y minus 7. So g of kuch is equal to 3 into kuch plus 4, 3 into kuch plus 4, 5 into kuch minus 7, 5 into kuch minus 7. On simplification we get x. So here we see GOF is equal to x. It means GOFX is equal to IA, as this definition is fulfilled. Now FOGY, put the value of GY. Now GY is this. Now f of kuch is equal to 7 into kuch plus 4 by 5 into kuch minus 3. On simplifying we get y. IB is y to y. So FOG y is equal to y. So FOG y is equal to IB. This is also extra question. F from 1 to 3, 1 3 4 to 1 2 5, 1 3 4 to 1 2 5, and G from 1 to 5 to 1 3. Now in F, 1 is going to 2, so 1 is going to 2, this is known as F1. 3 is going to 5, 3 is going to 5, this is known as F3. And 4 is going to 1, 4 is going to 1, so this is F4. So F4 is equal to 1, F1 is equal to 2, and F3 is equal to 5. See once more, F1 3 4, 1 3 4 going to 1 2 5, 1 2 5 by this instruction. F1 goes to 2, 1 goes to 2, 1 goes to 2, this is called F1. 3 goes to 5, this is called F3. And 4 goes to 1, this is called F4. F4 is equal to 1, F1 is equal to 2, F3 is equal to 5. Likewise, 1 2 5 going to 1 3, 1 2 5 going to 1 3. By this instruction, 1 is going to 3, 1 goes to 3. So this becomes F1. Sorry, G1. 2 is going to 3, 2 is going to 3. This is called G2. So G1 and G2 both are same. 5 is going to 1, so this is G5. Now GOF, we have to find out FOG, GOF and FOG. GOF of 1, starting from 1. Since we are getting F1, F3, F4, so putting the value of F1, GOF किसका है? This is directly GOF. Starting GOF for 1, then for 3, then for 4. GOF for 1, for 3 and for 4. So F1, put the value of F1. F1 is equal to 2, G2. And here G2 is already 3. So this is 3. GOF 3 का. So GOF of 3 is equal to, put the value of F3. F3 is 5. So G5, and G5 is 1 here, 1. And GOF of 4, GOF of 4, G of F4 का value put कर दो. F4 है 1, 1. G1 is here 3. It means GOF 1 goes to 3, 1 3, 3 goes to 1 3 1, 4 goes to 3 4 3. Also FOG, G1 available to us. See here G1, G2, G5. So FOG 1, FOG 2 and FOG 5. Put the value of G1. G1 is 3, so F3. But F3 is 5, so this is 5. G2, put the value of G2. G2 is 3, F3, but F3 is 5. F4 G5, F4 G5, put the value of G5 1. Now F1 is 2 here. F1 is 2 here. So F1 is 2 here. F4G, 1 goes to 5, 1, 5, 2 goes to 5, 2, 5, 5 goes to 2, 5, 2, over. Now this is the last assignment part of the function. Now in the next class or video, I will provide the material for inverse trigonometric function. Good luck.